What's up guys, a rainy morning everyone, and welcome back again here on my channel, Journey with Jean and Red. Well, if you could see my little red there, waiting for the rain to pour down. So it's a Saturday today, and it's been raining. I was planning to do laundry. It's playing in the mud. And Tatay and Nerio is working on the breeding tank of tilapia. So they are up there. I don't know whether they're staying in the shade now because it's raining. So they really can't work that much, and they can't do anything, you know. And our birds are here, our budgies are here. Oh, update of our parakeets. See? The mommy is inside there, maybe hatching some of the other eggs, or laying the eggs. Oh, that because slide din ha, Red. Move aside from there because it's slippery. So my little Red, I let him stop from playing in the rain because there's thunder, you know, it's not good for him. So I shower him and I cook for him. So he's eating right now. So what are you having for your breakfast? What's that? Fried rice with
hot dog
and
egg,
hot dog and egg. Wow.
and garlic.
And garlic also, yeah. I put garlic as well.
You want a drink?
You want to drink? What's that? What's that? What are you drinking?
Dutch milk.
Dutch milk. You like that one? Wow. Yummy. Delicious. Oh, what's that?
Like this.
The same. Ah. So it's still drizzling, and I'm still having my coffee. Wow, this is brewed coffee. I like brewed coffee. It's very delicious. Look at our birds. Look at our parakeets. They're eating the, what do you call that one? They're eating. So that's the babies. That's the two babies. The baby girl and the we put them at trapal so that when it rains they won't get wet. They flew away. And it's raining again. Again and again and again. So that's it for today's Saturday. Thank you everyone for continuing watching our videos and not skipping those ads. So please stay safe everyone. Take care and have a blessed weekend. Bye bye.